Is everybody alive? Is anybody out there? Hello, hello, hello. Remember Lion King? I'm like the little bitch, the bitch kid from Lion King. Hello, 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 hello. Is anybody out there? I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. How can you always have to come and attack me when I try to speak? Why do you have to come and attack me for the... Say something. Say something. Don't hit me. Don't fight me. Say something, boy. Yeah. Can you guys hear me? I just need a yes. Can you guys hear me? Hello? No? Yes? No? Are you fucking kidding me? Come on. Come on, you guys are fucking with me. Oh my gosh. You guys are fucking with me. Okay, alright, maybe. I think we're gonna have a little party today. Little party today. Boy, was this obvious this would happen or whatnot. Now I'm a couple espressos in. We're a couple espressos in. We can give you a little sneak peek. Boy, how about these memes? How about these memes, man? The memes. I'm so happy for the meme channel. The meme channel has been coming out in strength. In strength. We've been getting more action. Look at this one. This is where we made it on Korean news. Chileno made it on Korean news. Look at these guys. Look. My boy Park Hodu sent them this video. Then look what they're doing. Boom, there he goes. You got him. Yeah, damn. Now, had a good couple of trades, couple of bad ones. Good ones outweighed the bad ones. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, the best version of me is when I am asleep. The best version of me is when I'm asleep. When I'm sitting here, I swear, I mean, you know, the environment changes. It changes. And I got some things to say to the breakout people. I gotta, number one, congratulate a lot of you. I gotta get the updated numbers on how many people have been getting funded versus not. After, I think on Friday, we got people getting funded. There are people getting funded. A couple people breached too, but we got people who are getting funded. Let me put the does YouTube, let me hang on here. Let me see here. Hang on here. YouTube. Man, every time I change my YouTube description, I got to do it in like 5 places. Let me make sure the link is here. I don't know why it's not. Okay. Why'd you blow up the account? I'm telling you, listen, the way to get funded is to slow play it, man. Slow play it, man. And little small wins, small losses, big wins. Small wins, small losses, big wins. The monthly has been like a dragon, like a Chalino dragon, a little Chalino. Here's Chalino. There's his other eye on the other side. Damn, I'm good at doing that. Damn, you see me draw that shit? That's how quick I drew that shit. There's Chalino. Hang on, let's bit stamp. What? Man, wait a sec. I could have swore. Okay, there we go. Interesting. What the fuck? The VWAP looks different on the Heikenashe, which is why we use Heikenashe, boy. That shit is outside curve coming to the downside. And, man, it looks like it's just getting started. Looks like it's just getting started. Looks like it's just getting started. Man, don't tell me there's no sound. What do you mean there's no sound? Can you guys hear me? Motherfucker, I ain't drunk. I'm high on life. What, do you want me to come on here and be boring as fuck, dude? Ban that man. Ban that man. Why is this guy who's on here always drunk, huh? Motherfucker, you don't know me. You don't know what I'm like when I'm drunk, bro. You don't fucking know me. Okay, thank you guys. That's why you can never make it. You never make it. Okay, what about now? You guys tell me you can't hear the music faintly in the background. Let me find out for myself. I'm about to pull up my YouTube. And I'm going to find this out once and for all. Boy, if I tell you if my volume's good on YouTube, I'm going to be mad at some people. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. It sounds just fine. Echo, YouTube. Okay, here we go. Let's see. YouTube. It sounds just fine. YouTube. All right. All right. Listen, this shit was obvious. I mean, it was obvious there was going to be a big crackdown candle. Where was it? I tried getting in a little long. And, boy, I tell you, I've been trading very responsibly since this breakout prop firm thing. I feel like I am a much more responsible trader. And I'm still a fun guy. You know what I'm saying? Now, listen, I'm still a fun person to be around. Where was it? It was like at 3,200, 62,000, 62. Let me look at the post here. Let's see here. Okay, so at first went long at 63 something, then got stopped out, and then Looks like a big red candle's gonna happen at any time. Boy, when it starts just when it just starts curving or slowly going down, it just crack, crack. Like evil pimp, crack. Yeah, man, put your own music on. If you can't hear... If you can't hear YouTube, my YouTube, put on your own. Also, Chelino has been very in tune with YouTube and the markets, okay? His lamp, I couldn't afford the bill since the markets were down. I didn't have his lamp on, and so Chelino missed. For the first time, he missed. Look, watch this. Look at this beautiful hornworm. Look at these beautiful... I feel bad when I have to put these worms in here knowing that they're going to die. Look, there's Chelino. And he missed. And this is... Look at this. This is at the point he knew that he fucked up. For those of you who have signed up for Breakout Prop, by the way, I got some numbers back on Friday that I wanted to share with you guys, and we are performing much better than the average asshole out there, but I still expect it a little better. You know, the whole point is you are just... I don't even want to say pretend. Pretend isn't even the right word because we're not pretending. But pretend you're working for Goldman Sachs or Charles Schwab. If you got 100 grand, we fund you. You're not allowed to lose more than 4,000 in a day or you get cut the fuck off, okay? You build that up, and let's say your account's now at 200,000 and you've made 100,000 profit. You still do not want to lose, cannot lose more than 4% in a day or the whole account gets cut off. Motherfucker, two things. Number one, withdraw your money. And number two, don't break the rules. Don't break the rules. Trade small, trade smart. Trade small, trade smart. Don't go under that 4% per day. Don't do it. And if you're thinking about taking a risk, if you're in the profit, withdraw your money. Withdraw some money before you make a big move. Take your time. Take your fucking time. The numbers I got, I'm going to ask them for an update on it. But I think it was as of Thursday or Friday. I don't know. We had like a couple. We had like, there was like 150. Day after it was the first day. It was a couple days after the first day. Out of 150 people. The first 150 people that signed up. 33 of them breached and fucked up. 8 of them got funded already after a day or two. Everybody else was still in the fight. So the good thing is that means you guys are trying, most of you are trying to trade responsible. There's no reason to take big losses. Take your time. There's no rush. As far as immediate short-term trading, the trend has been shorting the 10-minute momentum waves. How far do we got? The 10-minute momentum waves have been where it's at. We'll still go, hopefully. Hopefully. The 10-minute momentum waves. Super, super key. Super key. Where do you sign up? It should be in the description. Or just go to YouTube and go to my YouTube. Go to my YouTube. Should be in the description. Breakout Prop. I have videos on YouTube. It's all good. Listen, the average person the average person is, no, it's not. Breakout's going to be a cash cow. 95% of traders lose. That's because 95% of people are fucking retarded. It's not about, we're not banking on people losing. We're banking on motherfuckers winning and losing, actually. Winning and losing. But we want people to win. Don't try to change this shit like it's a scam, motherfucker. If you're responsible, if you're in an Indian slum and you're able to get 500x trading power, you're damn right there's going to be, hey, don't lose 4% a day in one day. Go ahead, go 100x on buy. Go 100x on BitGet. By the way, also, you should have listened to your father. I saw I had some packages in the mail today, and there's a skateboard. I saw a skateboard inside a package. Well, I didn't see the skateboard. It wasn't a see-through package. It's a big cardboard package. And then it said trade smarter on it. And I'm like, damn. BitGet sent me a skateboard. I got to open it up. I can skate and takes it. I should do a thing on it. Do a video on it. I was not in a trade during this live stream. My shorts are closed. I entered a good little short, went to bed, woke up a rich man. Should have stayed in it. But no, currently I'm not in any trades. Doesn't mean we ain't gonna be. I'm hype as fuck. I'm on espresso right now. I'm cooking. Which means in about 30 minutes or an hour, I'm gonna be falling asleep. You got me for an hour. Man, you know what I did want to short was this FET. These altcoins. Okay, altcoins haven't come down that much compared to Bitcoin, huh? At least today. Ooh, buddy, look at that. Ooh, buddy. Ooh. Oh, would you look at that? Oh. What do you know? Wow, just powering through. I bet you we're at OG spider lines right now. Man, this gap typically has big movement. We've said it before. This spider line gap. Boom. I mean, it went right through it. It makes sense. It's going to just pound right through it. Look at this one too. Boom. Pretty much 3 out of 4. That's 1. That's 2. 3. Could say 4, 5. Like 4 out of 6 moves just in this space have been all the way through. It shows your value. It's not just lot size. Here, watch here. If I click short or sell short, it has lots, but it shows your margin impact right here. Go to my YouTube. I'd have a video on it. Look, 1 Bitcoin. You're locked in at 5x leverage. You're at 5x leverage. So 11,900 times 5 should equal 1 Bitcoin if you do the math. Someone check my math. Does 11,876 equal 59,385? Check the math. $56,000 is the bottom, and then it's just a double top. Dog days of summer, man. The dog days of summer. Shit, sell in May, walk away was right. sell in May, walk away, was right. The average price in May was what, 67,000? Here's May, and then up to June, right in the middle, 66,000. Dog days of summer, man. Oh, man. Was this where the meme came from? The Titanic meme? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it was. Man, smack dab. There is, listen. Oh, which I almost forgot, folks. What a day to be alive. In celebration of shit hitting the fan from your father. We're going to run a month long, or at least until the end of the fight, 25% off. Use code PLATINUM with your father. Are you tired of seeing your father keep losing his money? You know what happened to my father? He goes, I got out at 72,000, 71,000. He goes, I think it's going to shit. I said, Father, what a great move. Wow, that's the first time you kind of called something correctly. Stay out. 2 days later. He's like, oh, do you think it's at 66? I think it's going to pump. It's on the weekend. Yeah, I think it's going to pump. Today I text my son, you didn't get back in, did you? Tell me you didn't get back in, father. And he said he did. He said he did. He said he sold at 72, 71,000, put $5 grand in his pocket, bought back in at 60,000. And now look at ya. Listen, it's hard, man. You are your own worst enemy, even when the future is foretold and shown to you. The head and shoulders on the momentum on the weekly. Beautiful play out so far. Beautiful play out. Now, you know, the question is, are there going to be some goons that are going to be longing this channel? Hey, maybe not a bad move. Hey, listen. Yesterday. Fuck, I guess it's been that long. I guess it's been a couple days. What day is it today, man? I don't even know what day it is today. Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This money flow breakdown. I tweeted about it. This breakdown. I'm pretty sure I put it in the Discord too. Big blow. Big blow to Bitcoin. Because there was a sliver of hope. This was the only hope. And they're just, boom, just fucking rejected. Rejected. Like NBA Jam. Rejected. Now, so again, I want to get the numbers back. So from the old figures that I got last week, out of 41 people that either failed or passed, not everyone else who's still in evaluation. Out of 41 people, 8 of them passed. Now, the industry standard is 95%, according to the fucking ass, the guy in the comments. Now, let's see here. Hang on here. Okay. What percent is 8 of 41? It should be, what is it, to 19.9%? 19.5%. And that's on the first go with most people, you know, new UI and everything. So that's pretty good. That's okay. It's not good enough. I'd really like us to be at 25, 30% minimum. That's not bad. So don't be coming around here talking about no 95%, 5% bullshit. Please just make sure that when you get funded, trade the same, trade small, withdraw profits. Do not lose the daily maximum or you get cut off. If you've built your account with us to 150,000, 200,000, that's still hard money you're fucking trading with there. Don't break the daily loss amount. And if you think you're going to do so or make a risky play, withdraw on YouTube. The videos on how to get started or how to get started are on my YouTube and my little 30-minute spiel. Big news, baby. Big news. We've been rocking with Mike Perry since he became a free agent out of the UFC. We were the first ones, man. We were the first ones, man. We were before all these other sponsors trying to jump on board. You know what I'm saying? Which, hey, we'll take their money, but you know what I'm saying? I know. Let's take a look. See here. Let's do a little more analysis. How's Ethereum? How's Pepe doing? Let's look at Pepe first. Pepe. Okay, Pepe's still holding. Pepe is still holding. Ooh, damn. Damn, Pepe. There might be a little long scalpy here on Pepe. It's dangerous right now, but as Bitcoin's coming back, this looks like a good little potential. Good little potential. How much room on this candle? 12% on the last one from this one. Money flow looks very kind of similar. Yeah, I think there's a little percentage around Pepe. Dangerous. We might put a little Pepe long in. Should we do a little PP long? I think we should do a little PP long. Little PP long. Cost 38 grand, huh? Damn, do we want to put 38,000 on PP? That's too much. Let's do 20,000. Okay, what does the immediate short term look like? The immediate short term. You know, I would like for PP to come down 1%. You know, I would like PP at 10.7, 10.8, 10.7. I'm going to do... We'll do 10,000 PP. And then 10.7. Hell, 10.6. We'll see if PP can come down and take our orders. Again, we are rocking with Blowfin because non-KYC bullshit. No KYC, but BitGet sent me a skateboard. They're all fighting over my slutness. I'm a slut today. Whew. Jeez, what a fall. What a fall from grace. You know what, looking at, man, Dell, man, I wish I would have bought in on Dell Technologies, man. I remember Dell had such a bad name, and man, this company's really come back. They've really come back. Which is good, because they had a big Chinese beast in Lenovo to deal with. Blowfin is non-KYC. Blowfin is non-KYC. To answer your question. Nvidia having a pullback. 15% down over the last couple of days. Damn, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh my God, the oil $81. Oil $81. Play it out, play it out. Yeah, boy, I tell you, sometimes the truth hurts. Most times the truth hurts. Man, this monthly, man. Golly, man, I thought, man, what if this turns out to be like the O's? Oh, man, then it's over. Then it's over. Then it's over. Unless it has a little kind of, ah, man. It's hard to argue this ain't the top, boy. It's hard to argue. It's hard to argue. Audio's bad. Come on, man. The fuck you talking about? What do you mean the audio's bad? What do you mean the audio's bad? Just because it's here. Let me turn it down. Pi cycle top. Don't tell me the fucking audio. Fuck your Pi. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you. There is no comparison. There is no comparison. And while Billy's here, live minutes ago, just minutes ago, company site-wide, use code PLATINUM for 25% off, and we're running this bitch at least to the end of the fight. 25% off, use code PLATINUM. We got a cool graphic here. Doesn't this look nice? The mugs are, as we speak, in the factories getting pressed. To fuck are these indicators? Boy, Jean-Pierre Briggy, did you come to the right place? We got somebody new here. Welcome, bro. We've been doing this shit for almost a decade. Deep in the red. Deep in the red. You know, to be honest, it looks like I feel like there even hasn't, like the big one hasn't even hit. Hasn't even hit yet. I mean, these are big though. Here, let's change this. Man, we're going straight for, I mean, is 56 out of the question? No. Short and tops has been the play. And the few times where I've tried catching a knife, it didn't work out. I'm just a human too. Shorting has been the play. We have the higher time frames backing us up. VWAP coming down hard. Momentum crossing over hard. There is still plenty of time. Just getting started. Just getting started. Just getting started. Chain link. Let's take a look at chain link. See how our plumbers are doing. When there's an electrician or a plumber over and they ask me about crypto, what to buy, we typically say chain link. I don't know, buy some chain link. Ooh. Oh. Oh, boy, this is going to turn out bad. This is going to turn out bad. I don't think it's going to turn out good. I mean, it's at the bottom. Show done it. Hey, go ahead. Show done it. Listen, maybe I can be wrong. It's at the bottom. You know, it's only hit the bottom. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Damn. Unless, is this a Jesus take the wheel pattern? Is that what this is? It's just a big arm, the Jesus take the wheel pattern that does that? I mean, you could try, you know, you could try to just do a low risk long, you know, enter long and have your stops and hopefully you don't get baited out. But altcoins have already bled 50%. Dude, fetch. Man, I had to get out of so much. I'm pretty sure I got out totally. This shit's already gone down fucking 70%. What do you mean? Altcoins have bled already. Pepe's down 30, 40%. What was it, 35? 35. Went down 40. 35. Altcoins are doing bad. Doing bad. Real bad. Bitcoin's at what, 10% down from the top? Maybe 15? 20. You know, the money is so thin. The money, everyone, no one has any money left, man. Listen, if you're a crypto person, all your money's already in. There's not many people left that got money on the sidelines. Unless you're smart. What is this, fat? Dangerous trigger wave right here. Let's look into this. I hate trading these shit coins with leverage. That's why I don't really do it. But if this thing comes up a little bit, it's just gonna get cracked down again. It's gonna get pushed down again. Damn. Man, it's going right for 56,000. Oh, man. Boy, look at that spider line. Oh, it was support just for a little while. Next stop, 56. Yeah, I would say the daily and the monthly. This breakdown of the money flow was just like the knife in the back. It was the straw that broke the camel's back in his crack. There's still 10% there even from that. This was a huge bearish sign, man. Huge bear sign. So, dog days of summer, man. Dog days of summer. We're right in the middle. Right in the middle. Yes, BitGet is KYC. Blowfin is not KYC. And if you want us to fund your trading, go to Breakout Prop in the description. Click the description in the video. And if you want a sandwich, you can go to marketcipher.com and get yourself a shirt and hopefully a mug soon. $64K top forever. Yeah, I mean that's what everything. Yeah, this is the last defense right here. You know what I'm saying? The next it's 50 and that's 40. Listen, you gotta just be thankful. There was a time where our charts looked like this. Do you remember back in 2018? So long ago. So long ago. Oh, what's going on? Just saying, we've been in this bitch since the price was $4,000, $3,000. Now the price is $60,000. We can't really complain. Can't really complain. Someone just licked 12 million on Ethereum long. let's see here. How the prices, how did they get liquidated when the price just came up for the past 30 minutes? That don't make no sense. What's going on with our PP longs? Damn, we should have just marketed in. Dang. Oh well. Oh man, there's something I want to say. There's something I want to say, but I'm not gonna say it. But it's funny. How is that ton doing? I don't have any ton. I don't know a ton about it. Man, fuck these new chains and these new coins, man. It's all, you guys are just grifters, man. You guys act like there's something new and genius about it when you've just been grifting on everything. Whoops. Here's the Elvis Chileno. The Elvis Chileno. And he's gonna shoot his tongue down. His tongue has a little thick part at the end of it that's sticky and catches the worms and the flies. You too scared to trade or what? What a fucking retard. We have to give him his little attention. Yeah, bro, I'm scared. I'm fucking shivering, motherfucker. I'm shivering. Shivering. I made almost 6 figures in my sleep. What the fuck did you do last night? Ban that man. So, who's going to the Mike Perry fight? Who's going to the Jake Paul Mike Perry fight next month on the 20th in Florida, Tampa Bay? Check out Gala. I sold that shit too, bro. I sold that. I had a lot of this. I had a lot of Gala. Oh my Gala. Thank Gala I sold this shit. Thank Gala I sold. How down is this? 70%. 70%, man. The apocalypse is already here. It's already begun. It's just the altcoins are the first, these new, because it's like they're like a feather. They got support like a feather, man. That's why market cap is all bullshit. Market cap means nothing. The volume figure is what matters. How much is being traded every day? Damn, we should be long in this bitch. We should long. Let's long. Just kidding. I'm not gonna long this. Still holding the 67,000 Bitcoin purchase. You know, yes and no, because it's not, man, I moved that shit around and bought a bunch of shit coins, sold a bunch. I made profit. Not as much as I thought. I should have sold my PP a lot earlier. I should have sold Pepe in my other coins earlier, but I sold out of them. Glad I did too. I'm glad I did. Glad I did. Yeah, I would say, yeah, that's another. There's two catalysts. I think there's going to be two major catalysts at the end of this year. I say that we sweat it out for probably at least another month. And man, I tell you, man, looking at the charts, man, these charts are kind of scary. It is kind of scary. Sweat out at least another month, and man, maybe try to catch DCA. As much as I hate those three letters, DCA, it's such a bullshit. You know what pisses me off? I was in a Spaces the other day, and I'm not gonna say any names, but they had this. Oh man, I don't want to describe them too much because then people are gonna find out who it is and let them know, and I don't want to hurt this person's feelings. But their name is so-and-so trader. And they go into these trading spaces and they talk. And they're like, oh, well, I'm actually, you know, I do an investor. There's so much going on. And, oh, there's just so much going on. And, oh, shitcoin, Solano summer. And I mean, we're all bullish for, I mean, we're perma bulls, right, for the long term, right? And I'm like, okay, well, you know, don't tell me you're giving a trading. Don't tell me you're a fucking trader. Take the trader out of your name. You ain't trading shit. An investor. You ain't trading shit. Talk to me about fucking trading. You thought the little pump guy got a tattoo of Solana on his forehead when it was obvious it was just pen. There ain't shit going on in crypto. Whenever you confront someone with you know, an analysis of the current, oh well, you know, we're all perma bulls, right? I mean, you know, right? But you know, this, I'm just, you know, I'm an investor. Then why are you saying you're a trader? You ain't no trader. But they seem like a nice person. I didn't want to grill them too hard, so I kept my mouth shut. All right, let's take a look. See here. Let me. I want to see what the. Damn, man, we should have just marketed in on this PP. We should have marketed in on Pepe. We'll see if she comes back down. No big deal. No big deal. See what the 10-minute looks like on Bitcoin. Oh. Might be a good little short coming up for Bitcoin here. Might be a good little short. The 10-minute has been where it's at. The 10-minute momentum waves at the top. 1. Bang. 2. Bang. 3. Whoops. 3. Bang. 4. Bang. 5. Bang. Bang. Little bang. 6. Bang. And then 7. I mean, but just look at the money flow. You know, when the money flows, green, leave it alone, shit's in the red. Man, thick in the red, just short them tops. Short them tops. It might be short time here soon. We might be looking into, you know. Again, if I've gotten a few, we've gotten word. Well, we're at 20% out of the first batch. 20% of you have gotten funded. Most of you are still trading, although probably after today. Let me message them here. Let me see. I want to see because so far we're at 4x better of your standard asshole. It might be short time here soon, boy. It might be short time here soon, boy. Little dangerous, little dangerous. We've seen 1, kind of 2, you know. But man, I tell you, just when the price up and crack has been what they've been doing to us. That's what they've been doing. Price up, bam. Price up, bam. The monthly. Whoops. I'm looking at the wrong okay, I just pulled that up. Okay. I think it's safe to say the dragon is here. The Cholino dragon, Elvis dragon is here. There's plenty of time. If it's like any of the times before, it's not going to be good. Not going to be good. This is the monthly chart. God, look how many months this was. This was 13 months. And what about this one? This one was 12 months. If you want to include this, that's 19 months. Fuck, it's over a year. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. It sucks when a chart shows you one thing, but you want to believe another. That's for sure. It's a tough thing about trading. The weekly, beautiful, absolutely beautiful head and shoulders on the weekly with the down-reaching neckline. What do we say about head and shoulders? Head and shoulders. It's about the neckline. If the neckline's going up, that head and shoulders is most likely bullish, at least for Bitcoin. Doesn't matter if it's inverse or reversed. It's where the neckline goes. This would be bullish. This would be bearish. The neckline. But this is textbook momentum wave. Get shit on. On the 15-minute. Let's take a look at that 15-minute. Shoo done it. Paul Bunyan. show done it. Boy, would you look at that. Oh my God, murder scene. Murder scene. This is when I went to bed. I went to bed like right here. And shit, I woke up like right here. And then it still wasn't over, man. It still wasn't over. Do ETFs make a difference this time around? Well, I don't know. You know, I tell you, it's anyone with any real money doesn't buy on these exchanges. We just buy OTC. OTC. I am looking for a little momentum to come over the top, crack it on down. Just like this one, this one, this one. It's pretty easy to see this space in general between these two spider lines. The price action has been super volatile and just slices all the way through. Sliced all the way through. Up and down. Up and down. Come back here. This one too. Just it sliced it once and then twiced it. Bam, bam, bam. Shit, we can go way back in the past. Way back in the past. Come on. This shit's lagging. Come on. Come on there, little loggy. Even to its origin. To its origin. Its origin. All it did was slice through all the way. It didn't even stop. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5. This is a super volatile price action area. Beginning and the end. So, 50,000. 50,000. But let's get through the summer. Sweat through the summer. Let everyone else be stupid little lollydagging fucking spaces. Oh, everything is so crazy. Oh, there's so much going on. And you know, I'm an investor. Just DCA. Yeah, DCA into Bitcoin at 60,000. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's just DCA. Fuck, ridiculous. If your father, if you don't have a rich father or a rich mama, you don't DCA Bitcoin at 60,000. I'm sorry, the boat's already left. The boat left. There's only one boat that is here and that is near, and that's the fucking Titanic. Dang, Pepe. Dang, we missed this little chance. I should have just taken a little. I should have just marketed in. Oh well. Hey, but you know what? I think I had. I think I kind of started a trend in spaces, which is the eradication of hand raising. Ever since I said it was gay to raise your hand in a space and force you asked me to be on your space, I'ma talk when I want to, and if so should anybody else. So I'm not just saying just me. If you invited someone else, whether they have 1,000 followers or whatever, and you want them to speak, fuck raising the hand. You can talk to the hand. I'll pull up with. 25% off for the next month. Code Platinum. Market Cipher. All right, let's take a look at whiff. We should pull up that video again. Dog whiff hat. Oh my God, it's making a comeback. My gosh. Look at this. This looks absolutely beautiful. We should DCA into this at this top. You know what? Call the investor trader spaces people and tell them, you know what? Start DCA into this at these levels. Yeah. DCA. DCA. That's so 2 cycles ago. God, I'm sorry. I feel like a retard. This espresso is like messing with my mouse and arm functions. My mouse sensitivity's all high. I'm like struggling. I'm struggling to click. I'm struggling to type. You should be a crypto comedian. Thank you. I'm glad you are entertained. I appreciate the compliment, brother. Let me go grab another coffee. I'll be right back. And then we might be looking to short this bitch. Alrighty. Hey, you know what else? You know what else about this damn spaces? Let's talk about the spaces, okay? You know, when I'm in a spaces, the rare occasion that I am, even though typically I'm one of the more popular people that are there, it's always the people with the thickest accents that want to take up the most time talking. They'll be like, well, it's blind me, it's a black guy, it's always the Indian women. Bitcoin, and we think it's perfect going up. I'm an investor. I think we should just start to DCA. You know, there's so much going on. Oh, you ask a trading question. Oh, I'm just a investor, you know. I think it's a good time to DCA Bitcoin. Now, you know what though? Listen, you know, YouTube is separate. YouTube is separate from Twitter. And so maybe there's, you know, there's people on Twitter that I don't know. Maybe some people have respect I'm not really aware of, but I don't know, man. I'm always trying to be quick. You know, on my YouTube, I take my time. And even then, I've been trying to talk a little faster. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? When I tell you, if you want to rise up in spaces, say what everyone else is thinking, but what they're too afraid to say. That would be my advice. Because, man, whenever I would say something that, you know, might hurt somebody's feelings, I'm seeing 100s and thumbs ups and smiley faces and clowns and hundreds and... Web3. Man, they got wrecked. God, all those NFT people and the Web3 bullshit. Wrecked. I don't know if I can drink this. I'm going to put this coffee back. I can't drink this. Yeah, I tell you, there's nothing worse. No one wants to hear less, or no one wants to hear less from than more than some fucking Indian girl that has a rich father, a powerful Indian father, and she's on Spaces, and, you know, she wants to, you know, I'm not picking on anyone. It could be a Pakistan, a French woman. It could be an American woman. Okay? You didn't make it on your own, lady. You didn't trade it. You don't tell me you DCA'd at 60,000 and traded your way up from sleeping on a fucking mattress on the floor. Probably never even had a job in your life. Probably never had a job in your life. Fuck your Spaces. I think we should DCA too. There's so much going on. I think it's just a good time to DCA. Now, listen, if I prefer my mattress to be on the floor. Something about having your mattress on the floor, man, you sink in real good, you sleep real good. I love having my mattress on the floor. I was on the phone with AJ Writes Crypto the other day. We were talking, having a fun time. I don't remember how the topic came up, but fuck, I forgot what I was gonna say. But the point is, we were talking about like a man can live, you know, on nothing. It doesn't matter how much money I have. But the house I'm in now, I only got this house for my dog. So my dog, because Sid needed a house. Before him, I had one spoon, one bowl, I didn't even think I had a knife. I just had a fork and a spoon, and I would just stab the little steak and eat it off the steak. I had one mattress. I had a little shitty couch. I had one TV, and I had my computer, and I had YouTube. And that's all I needed, man. That's all I needed. And I was happy. I was happy. And I could do that shit today. I can rough it. I'm going to DCA on 260,000. It's a great time to DCA, you know. You're never going to hear one of them, one of those little spaces, rich, and I'm not hating on rich parents, man. I'm not hating on rich parents and rich people. That's the goal. And you can raise, just because you're rich doesn't mean you can't, you know, raise good kids. And listen, you only know what your environment is. So there's some things, you know, listen. It's just, man, sometimes it's like, man, yeah, I know we all need to feel special. And I get that. We all want to feel wanted and needed. But boy, you sure get a lot more out of life when, like, you focus things on other people. Nobody else in the world, in the real world, really wants to hear you talk about yourself or preach some wisdom that you have. What they do like is when you is when you talk about them or you ask them. And it really just makes you look that much better. Like, you'll never hear one of the Web3 Indian teenage rich dad girls ask a question. I've never heard them ask, like, hey, what is that? Or how do you do that? Like, in the spaces I was in the other day, there was some guy who was talking about global liquidity and how he's been using global liquidity. And when it was my turn to talk, I was like, hey, bro, where do you see that? And how can I use that? Oh, damn, let's look at a chart. Oh, my God, global liquidity was at an all-time high in March. Was March bullish? Yes, it fucking was. Wow, I just learned something. Now I can talk to you guys about global liquidity index. You'll never hear Durka Indian Pakistani rich father fucking prom girl DCA. I'm a trader, but Vestiga, God forbid you ask me anything about trading on a time frame lower than the weekly time frame. I just trade spot and I look at the larger time frames. Like a roach. It's like when you put a light on a roach. We're all bullish long term. We all know it's going up forever. Hey, what do you think? You talk about DCA, Durka lady, what do you think is going to happen, in 2 weeks? Oh, no, I do DCA. Oh, if the price goes down, I DCA, I... Yeah, I've never heard one of them ask someone else a question before. Like, hey man, I like what you said about that. Can you tell me more about that? Like, where did you get this information? Where do you find it? Like, where's the best place I can look to get what you're using simply on a chart? That's it. Anyways, I think that's pretty much it, folks. Good times. Don't know if this Pepe trade is going to catch. I I think the best way to trade right now is to set, fuck, man, stops are getting, long stop are getting taken out. It's okay. Listen, if a couple get taken out from a stop, what the next one's going to catch. Those of you who have signed up and have been trading with Breakout Prop, number one, thank you. You guys are really showing out. Number two, do not lose the daily maximum limit that you're allowed to lose, especially if you if you get funded and you start gaining profits. It's still 4%. If you turn 5,000 into 10,000, the 4% per day drawback is still there for 10,000. Obviously, it scales up with you. Don't break that or you're going to breach, and then it's all gone. Either A, withdraw the money if you don't want to trade at a larger amount, or B, withdraw a little bit, trade and adjust your risk. There's no time rush. There's no rush on YouTube, DCA. The videos on YouTube, how to get started and all the setup is just right there. It's a simple video. This is a 30-minute long drawn-out pitch. A couple things I left out that, I'll probably need to do another video. I'm looking forward to getting more data and results. I know some of you have already gotten funded, and I want to do some special shit. When my brother gets back from vacation, we're going to add some stuff to our Discord. So, like, if you're a verified funded trader from us, you get a little swirly star. And, I'd like to give away a Bob's watch. I would like to do something with Bob's watches. In fact, I emailed them. I should check bobswatches.com. I tell you though, you'll get hooked, man. When you get a nice Bob's watch, this shit gets you hooked. That's a beautiful little Breitling right there. Even though I'm not a really Breitling guy, I'm kind of a Rolex guy. Beautiful, beautiful blue. I love. There's nothing like that deep blue. You know what I'm saying? But I'm looking to get something from Bob's. So trade smart. Trade responsibly. There's no rush. Small wins. Keep the losses small. Keep your wins small. Take them profits, man. Take them profits. And then get lucky. Let the luck carry you. Take your profits and get lucky. Cut your losses. Until next time, I'll see you guys again soon. God bless. 25% off. Market Cipher. Thanks for being here. And listen, no hard feelings. I don't mean to offend any of the Indian girls in any of the spaces that I've been in for the past month. And I'm not talking to one of you. There's like 4 of you. But you all say the same shit. And you all have trader in your fucking name. You're not no trader. And that's okay. That's okay. DC agent 60,000. Tell someone who's delivering pizzas to DCA. Oh, you deliver pizzas for a living and you're struggling to make rent? DCA at 60K.